What are the main features of the Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban? First of all, it has a bionic skin, pretty much like a human skin. It is very sensitive and it can sense the road and the outside environment. Second, the Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban is connected to the environment. It is connected to the infrastructure, to other vehicles, to traffic networks, and it is gathering all these data real time and it's processing them with its artificial intelligence. With that data, it can decide what to do next. First of all, it can send that information to the vehicle and also to other vehicles so that they know what's going on. Second, the Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban can transform itself. Why and how? As you can see, it has a morphing thread. The skin I talked about earlier is very flexible. So with all the data that the tire has processed, it can decide what to do next. In certain conditions, it will transform its surface and have those dimples appear that can match the needs of the current requirements on the road. And then finally, the Eagle 360 Urban can interact with its environment. It is transmitting its learning, its decision to the vehicle, to other vehicles, and then to the network. This is Goodyear Smart Vision for future mobility.
If you look at the surface, we have changed the way the tire interacts. If you realize about the models for car sharing, the models for autonomy, if you realize about electric vehicles, and then moving into the data connectivity, all these elements, we said, how do we take it to the next level? So we added a brain. It's artificial intelligence. So what does that mean for the tire? It means that the tire will be able to sense the conditions of the road and the environment. It will be able to decide what to do. It will be able to morph and change the shape and adapt. The tire can rotate in any direction. Therefore, all the surface of the tire is usable. And this is a great advantage because if you have a patch that is worn out, you can always default to the other area of the tire and keep running until you're able to bring it back to service. As a concept, it doesn't have a time frame where you say it's going to be produced. However, the beauty of the concept is that we seek inspiring others to come with the solutions, the technological solutions that are linked with the concept.